Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Pinterest. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Pinterest and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time. If you find update here, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.